Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As you all know, my name is Prajasau, and today's in this video we are going to learn kinds of sentences. And this before learning kinds of sentences means the different types of sentences, it is important to know what is a sentence. So let's start. Let's see what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that forms a complete thought. A se- A sentence begins with a capital letter, ends with an end mark, and has a subject and a predicate. Now, here, for example, Madhu can speak English. Madhu can speak English. Now, here, Madhu is a sorry. Madhu is a word. Madhu is a word. Can is a word. Speak is a word, and English is also a word. Now here the end mark is this. This is called the end mark. There are different types of end marks. This end marks are end marks are also called punctuation marks. Punctuation marks. Now, now this punctuation mark is called we can call it as a full stop. We can call it as a full stop or a period. We can call it as a full stop or period. If you want to see a video, uh, if you want to see a video based on this punctuation marks, you will get the video in the top right in the top right corner of this video. Do now the second sentence is n- now the second sentence is do you want to play cricket? Now here do is a word, you is a word, want is a word, and to play cricket, these are all the words, and this group of words makes a sentence. And here the end mark and is this end mark. This as we can say this as a question mark. We can say this as a question mark. Now, now we will now we will learn what are the different types of sentences. There are four different types of sentences, four different kinds of sentences. The first, uh, the first one is declarative. Second one is interrogative. Third one is exclamatory, and the fourth one is imperative. Now we will first look at declarative sentence. Now, declarative sentence makes a statement or gives information. It ends with a period. N- Now here there are given two examples. They have given two examples. May sorry, my pet is cute. This is a sentence, and it gives information. It gives information. What information it is giving? My pet is cute. It is giving a information that that the pet is cute means my. Pet is cute. It it is ending with a period, that is full stop. It ends with a full stop. This sign is called a full stop. I read my book. This sentence gives us information that I am reading the book, and it is ending with a period sign, that is the full stop. Now we will move on to the second one, that is interrogative sentence. Now interrogative sentence asks a question, and it ends with a question mark. N- Now, what is your pet? What is your pet? This end mark, I told you, this is called a question mark. This end mark is called a question mark. Where do you live? It is also ending with a question mark. This sentence is asking us a question. Where do you live? This sentence is asking your question, that where do you live? Where is the place where do you live? I think you are understanding. Now we will move on to the third type of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. Now exclamatory sentence expresses happiness, fear, anger, and shock. It ends with an exclamatory point. N- Now here there are some examples given. It's yummy. I am scared. Oh, my toy is broken. This this all sentences are ending with a exclamation point. Exclamation point. This is called a exclamatory mark or exclamation point. Now this you can see in this sentence. It's yummy. This is expressing happiness. This sentence is expressing happiness. I am scared. This sentence is expressing fear. Oh my, oh my toy is broken. This sentence is expressing a shock. Now here you have understood that what is a exclamatory sentence. Now we will move to the fourth and last type of sentence, that is imperative sentence. Now imperative sentence give gives a command, makes a request or a wish. It mostly ends with a period and sometimes a question mark. Now feed your pet. Feed your pet. In this sentence, a command is uh, a command is given to a person. When a sentence gives a command, this is that sentence is said to be that it is imperative. Now see in this sentence, may I borrow your book? It is making a request, and it is ending with a question mark. uh, Students, please don't be confused. uh, Interrogative sentence, in interrogative sentence also there is a question mark. But when there is a when there is a request made in the sentence and question mark is there, that sentence is called to be a imperative sentence. Mm, mm. Uh, with this, we have completed the types of sentences. Now, we will do a small activity. Match the correct kind of sentence. Match the correct kind of sentence. Now, here, I go to school. I go to church. Wow, I have a new bike. Clean your room. What time is it? Now you think, what are the correct answers? If you are done, then we will I will show you the answers. I go to church. I go to church. It is a declarative sentence. Why? Why? Because it it is ending with a full stop or a period sign, or it is saying, it is giving us information. It is a simple sentence. Now this, wow, I have a new bike. This sentence is an exclamatory sentence because it is ending with an exclamatory mark, and and it is expressing happiness, joy. It is expressing. That's why. Clean your room. It is a imperative sentence because it is giving us command. It is giving us a command, and it also ends with a uh, im- uh, full stop. What time is it? It is asking a question to us. So it is a interrogative sentence. Now we will start with activity 2. Activity 2, write in blanks what kind of sentence it is. Mm, The girl dances well. The girl dances well. Now you have to write. You have to. If you want this activities, so you can note it down in your box. You have to write which of which which type is this sentence. Okay. uh Clean your room. Who is your teacher? I am so excited today. May I go out? Now if you have done it, if you have done this exercise, means this activity 2, I will show you the answers now. Here are your answers. The first sentence, that was the girl dances well, is a declarative sentence. Why? It is giving us a information because this is a simple sentence, and it is giving us information. The second one, clean your room. This is imperative sentence. Why? Because it is giving us a command. Who is your teacher? It is a interrogative sentence because it is asking a question. Fourth one, I am so excited today. This is a exclamatory sentence. Why? Because it is expressing uh, excitement. This sentence is expressing expressing excitement, and it also ends with a exclamatory mark or a exclamation point. May I go out? Now here you must have thought that it it is a interrogative sentence. Because why? Because it ends with a question mark. But but when we are doing this activity, we should keep in mind, first see that sentence, what is it is giving. It is expressing, or means it is uh, asking a question. It is making a request. May I go out? This sentence is imperative because it is because it is uh, because it is requesting. Okay.